Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're trying something a little different. As you can see, it's really dark. I just wanted to do something different and play with my lighting. For foundation, I am using the Pur 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie Longwear Foundation and Concealer. I'm just going to be using it as foundation today. I have the shade LN2. For concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in shade Fair Warm. I'm going to contour using this Ritual de Feel Inner Glow Cream Pigment in the shade Intuition. This stuff is so cool toned and so beautifully easy to blend. It's really impressive. This is Ritual de Feel Rare Light Cream Luminizer in the shade Ice Bow. I'm gonna dip my finger in there and just pat it along my cheekbone. It smells like lavender or some herbs or something. While I'm at it, I think I'm going to add a little bit of that to the bod. Just for a little extra sparkle. RCMA No Color Powder. Just to set all over the face. Make sure that none of those cream products slide around or break up. This will diminish the highlight just a little bit. Gonna add a little extra powder under my eyes for my concealer. Let's move on to brows, shall we? Kat Von D Super Brow in the shade Graphite. Now I'm just combing a little mascara through my brow hairs. Before we move on to eyes, I just want to add a little bit more highlight. This is the Stellar Beauty Supernova Highlight. This is a really pretty, kind of like a rose gold highlight with big chunks of glitter, so it's perfect for this sparkly look. For blush, I am dying to try this Lovecraft Beauty blush palette. How pretty are those colors? I think I am gonna go into this kind of muted rose, muted mauve color right here. That is just an absolutely beautiful blush color, and it is going so well with that pinky highlighter. For my eyes, I want something really dark to add some glitter on top of. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Ultra Suede liquid lipstick in the shade Alien. We're gonna put that directly on the lid. Onto the lower lash line as well. There's going to be enough on the brush to wrap it all the way around. And I'm using my contour shade to just blend the liquid lipstick out into my skin tone just to warm it up a little bit. This is a glitter palette by Profusion. We're going to be going into this one called Stardust. I'm just patting that glitter on the lid. Making sure to get a little bit of glitter outside the lid. I want this to be a beautiful, insanely sparkly look. I think our lower lash line needs a little glitter as well, so I'm going to use this glitter eyeliner by LA Splash in the shade Luna. Now just before I do my mascara and lashes, I want to spritz myself with some setting spray and add just the tiniest, teensiest little bit of a pure white highlighter. So next, let's pop some mascara on those lashes. For lashes, we are using number D18 by Cadabra Cult. This is the shade Demetria from Lovecraft Beauty. Anyway, that concludes this sparkly, sultry, dark makeup tutorial. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this. I've never tried anything like this with the lighting, but I thought it would be a cool, fun experiment. I love how the makeup turned out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!